What are you saying? It's just a bird. Can you see the birds? The sounds you're making, honey. Oh, come on. Yeah, they look good, don't they? Do you want to eat them? You just can't because it's Mama's friends. This is Mama's friends. Now they're arguing. And now this seagull comes. He just have to call his friends. Did you know there are over 30 arts of seagulls? Here he comes. Hello, buddy. What are you saying? What are you saying? No, it's not a walking nugget. It's Mama's friend. Hey, seagull. Hello. Yeah, you can eat too. Of course you can. It's all for you, birdies. My cat just listened. Yeah, he thinks you're a walking noggin. The seagull here, he's eating cake. I gave him some cake. It's my fault if you're getting fat. My birdies are getting fat. But also now they can be together without arguing because they know there's food for all of them. There's no need to argue anymore. So trust me, they want to be here. They want to stay here with me. Here is food, here is love, here is compassion. And the cat who want to eat you, but he can't. He's just listening and see you. Yeah, I know. I know. They look tasty, don't they? But you can't eat them, honey. You've got so much food. You can eat those birdies. It's mine. And they come when I make this sound. Do you need more? Do you need more? Yeah, that's cake. Do you like cake, seagull? Seagulls eat everything. And their stomach is made of, I can't even remember, but the stomach was made to, that they can swallow and eat everything without getting sick. In Danish it's called an ådselæder. I'm not sure what it's called in English, but they can eat everything without getting sick. Yeah. Now they're coming, all of them. Hello, birdies. My cat here thinks you're nuggets. He wanna eat you. I find you fascinating. Have a good day, my birdies.